Hi there, Bees here. Do you ever listen to birds? Caw, caw. Birds make sounds like quack, quack, and here's one I really like. Next time you listen to birds, see how many sounds you can hear.
Charlie Brown is next.